Hello, my dear colleagues. I'm Akaki Tsilosani from Georgia, and I would like to give you a very special invitation to the next 6th annual Latin American FUE workshop that will take place in Cancun from February 26 to 29. More than 70 international faculties will talk about different aspects of FUE, and during live surgery workshop will demonstrate all modern techniques, shaven, unshaven, long hair, FUE. I will be talking about my favorite technique, preview long hair, and also about combination of FUT and FUE, the method that allows us to harvest as many grafts as possible from the donor area. At this workshop, we not only will learn from each other, but also have a great time enjoying the sun, the beach, amazing city of Cancun, and of course tequilas, margaritas with the experts of hair transplant surgery. So see you all there in Cancun at the next annual Latin America FUE workshop.